Hey, I'm Chris. We're out here at Delnor Woods. It's April 7th and it's freaking snowing. We're here to talk to you today about spring ephemerals. So what is an ephemeral? Well, it's a noun and it means something that doesn't last very long. Lots of things are ephemeral, like snowflakes on an April 7th day, like fog that dissipates in the morning sun, like footprints along a sandy beach, like the hopes and dreams of Chicago Bears fans. Or as Epictetus said, even like life itself, he says, you are a little soul carrying a corpse. But spring ephemerals are actually wildflowers, so let's talk about that. These are flowers that, as the name suggests, don't last very long. They open up in the early spring, and they're the first blooms you're going to see this time of year. And so we're here at Delnor Woods to point out a few of the ephemerals that are here, and to tell you about a project that you can participate in. Back during the COVID shutdowns, we wanted a way to engage the public in getting out in nature and seeing what we had outside and educating them a little bit. So we created a project on the iNaturalist app called Spring Ephemerals. And it encouraged people to go out, take pictures of ephemerals that they saw blooming and post them to the project. And now, 4 years later, that has become a county-wide project that includes the St. Charles Park District, the Forest Preserve District of Kane County, and several other agencies. So we're going to show you today how to download the iNaturalist app, create your account, and participate in the Spring Ephemerals project. So just off the path here at Delnor, we have an ephemeral in bloom right now. This is bloodroot, which you can probably gather from the name. If you were to dig it up, the root is a blood red color. So we're going to show you how to, using the iNaturalist app, take a picture of this, identify it, and add it to the Ephemerals project. So the first thing you're going to need to do is download the iNaturalist app. It's a free app available in your app store, and create your account. You can use your Google account. And then you're going to make sure you go to projects, and you can search for nearby projects, or you can search using the search feature, and you're going to be looking for the Kane County Spring 2025 Ephemerals. Once you've done that, you're ready to start uploading images to iNaturalist. And the way this is going to work is you're going to use the plus button down here in the bottom right corner, and you're going to say, I want to take a photo. So we're going to take our photo, and if we're happy with the photo, we're going to hit OK. And the first thing we're going to see right here is, what did you see? And iNaturalist uses technology to compare your photo to different species and give you some recommendations on what it thinks it is based on how it looks and based on the area and time of year. And this one is suggesting bloodroot. So we are going to select that one. And it is bloodroot indeed, so we are going to hit select. And now we've identified that. And now we're going to look down here where it says add to projects. And we are going to find the Spring 2025 Ephemerals. And we're going to hit the check mark. And now we have added that image to the Spring 2025 Ephemerals project. What happens next is other people involved in the project can see your observation. Other users of iNaturalist can see it. They might even make suggestions if you've got the species incorrect. And the value of this is that it is creating a data set of all of Kane County of the types of species, where they're located, and what time of year and what order they're appearing during the spring bloom season. And that data can then be used to let us know how widespread these species are, let us know the times of year and the order in which they appear, and if it changes from season to season based on the climate or anything like that. So it's creating a nice data set for all of Kane County that will tell us what kind of species we have throughout the area. So as I said, we started this project back in 2021 just here in St. Charles, and we had just over 330 observations posted. And last year, with the complete project for 2024, 3,715 different observations were posted of 570 different species. Now, not all of those are actually ephemerals. Some of them include some other plants that people uploaded and added to the project. But it has grown quite nicely over the last 4 years, and we hope that you'll be a part of it. So we'll see you out in the woods.